Welcome to Mom's Recipe Diary English.
If you are new to the channel, don't forget to press subscribe. Also press bell notification and select option all. Then only you will get notifications for my new videos. Come, let's move on to the recipe. Hello viewers, today I am going to make sago fryams. It is also known as sabudana papad. The ingredients for this recipe: sago 1 cup, raw rice half cup, green chilies 3, cumin seeds half teaspoon, asafoetida 5 to 6 small pieces, and half lemon. Now it is around 10 p.m. at night. I am soaking the washed sago in water. Tomorrow morning I am going to make the fryams recipe. Soak it for at least 8 to 10 hours. Similarly, I am soaking the washed raw rice in water. It's next day morning. In a kadai, I have added 1.5 liter of water. After the water gets heat, add soaked sagos with water in the kadai. It's been 5 minutes. Now it started boiling. In this stage, add asafoetida. If you don't have hard asafoetida, you can add half teaspoon of powdered asafoetida. It is used to avoid gastric problems. It will give a nice flavor. I have already grinded the raw rice and chilies into a fine paste in a mixie. Now I am adding that mixture. It should be in watery consistency. If the mixture is thick, you can add more water. It should be like this in watery consistency. Now I am adding the salt. Add little salt, otherwise the fryams will be very salty after frying. Cook for 5 to 10 minutes. And the mixture will slowly get into thicker consistency. See, the mixture is thick now. This is the consistency we are looking for. In this stage, switch off the stove and add half lemon juice. The lemon juice will give nice white color to the fryams. Mix it nicely and let it cool for 1 hour. After 1 hour, see how the mixture is thickened now. Now I will show you how to put this on a plastic cover. Using spoon, put small circles like this. Don't make big circles. It may break during frying. You can also use cloth instead of plastic covers. It should dry for at least 2 days in sunlight. I'm going to make one batch of fryams using cumin seeds, so I mixed the cumin seeds. After 2 days, the fryams are completely dry now. This is the plain one I made. This is cumin added fryams. Now I will show you how to fry it. Add little oil in kadai. it is enough for that. See how it is nicely frying, and it is doubled in size. Add one frame at time for frying. The lemon juice I added now, that gives the nice white color to the frames. You can fry it and store it in an airtight container for 2-3 days also. Now I am adding cumin added frames. Because of cumin seeds, the color of the frame is little changed because the cumin seeds color is mixed with the mixture. The tasty and crispy frames is ready to eat now. You can also try this simple recipe in your home. Your kids will like this recipe very much. If you like this recipe, do like and share with your friends. Thanks for watching.